Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can turn off the automatic display of the footer in the CapCut video editing application. CapCut is a very useful video editing application. However, when we use it on the phone, a footer with an application advertisement is automatically added to each video we edit. We can delete this in each edit separately, but it is much more productive when it does not appear. To do that, we first need to open the CapCut application. After that, go to Settings in the upper right corner. Various options will open there. The one we need is Add Default Ending. By clicking on the slider, we will turn it off. In the pop-up window, click Discard. After this, the automatic footer will no longer appear. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.